I've bought these seed sponges. I'm just going to open them up now and see what they look like. You can buy these off Marketplace online. Oh, they're very, very nice, these sponges are. If you can have a look. Should make a really nice background. So I'm going to get a couple of these sponges. There we go, 2 of them. Already made up some colour, some watercolour. I'm just going to dip the sponge in and I'm just going to sponge it onto the page. Just get rid of a bit of excess. Just see what kind of patterns these sponges make. Just rolling it around a bit onto the page. You can see here it's made some really nice patterns. I've got the purple one here, exactly the same thing. Don't spill it like I've just done. Okay, and roll that around. Mop it up with my sponge. And again, a bit more green. For a bit of depth of colour. I'm just going to let that dry, just to see what that looks like. Okay, back in a bit. So I've found some lovely blooms in this particular painting, so I'm going to paint some flowers using the shapes that the paint has already left. Using black fine liner pens, a selection of them, different sizes, preferably water and fade proof is best, but if you haven't got those, use any pen, biro, whatever you have. there you have it. Cute little doodle over watercolour. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope to see you soon.